Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIE RASHON. Welcome back to another edition of Wiggy Wednesday. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. This is a first impressions wig review on the wig Trissa in the color Jade. I got this wig from Hairsisters.com. They sent it to me a few weeks ago, and I must say, you guys, I love it already. Straight out of the bag, I was already in love. Just from the card, I was already in love. I don't have a picture of the card because I misplaced it, probably in all the excitement, but I will insert a picture of the model that they put on the card. Like, she looked amazing. The way they styled this wig was bomb. So I knew getting it out the pack and putting it on my head, I was gonna feel amazing wearing this wig. So again, I love this wig straight out the pack. I did comb it a little bit. I didn't brush out the curls or anything. I just combed it a little bit and I plopped it on my head. I put a little bit of powder in the parting space. It does come with the deep parting space here. I did not pluck any of the hair out. I didn't even cut any of the baby hairs or anything like that. I kind of just swooped some down to the side and put the rest of the extra hair tucked up in there. That was it for this wig. It was a pretty straightforward out the pack. It does come with the lace from ear to ear. However, again, like I said, it does not come with lace all the way across, so it's not like a 13x6 or 13x4 or whatever like the other Kierashon wig that I showed you. This is just the lace in the parting space. So, I mean, you probably could turn this wig to the side, but I wouldn't because of the ear tabs and it'll probably get on my nerves. So I like this as a middle part. It's very cute styled as a middle part, and it's good for me. It does come with 3 combs inside the wig, so I'm not going to show you guys those. You've seen them 10,000 times before. The 2 combs in the front with the one in the back. You guys know how I feel about the combs, but all I did was take a razor and cut those bad boys out, and we good to go. It also has the adjustable straps. I did clamp those a little bit tighter. Like, I think I put them like 1 more in, so it can be a little bit more snug to my head because I didn't glue the sides of the wig down. And the wig feels super snug to my big old Jimmy Neutron head. Let me know, guys, how you feel about this wig and the color and style of it. It's pretty long. I'm 5'6" and it comes past my chest here, so that's pretty long in my opinion. I am in love with this wig. I don't know what else to say. It is soft. There's a little tangling, but it's a synthetic wig and it's curly, so it's gonna tangle a little bit, but nothing crazy, nothing out of the ordinary. It did not have any shedding yet, and I have worn this wig for the past hour now, and it is bomb. So no shedding so far. I love it, and that's all I gotta say about it. I don't have any negatives, do I? Nope, I don't have any negatives. So let me know what you think about this wig down below. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Probably should be a thumbs up because, you know, we're gonna keep it positive on this channel. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next Wiggy Wednesday. Again, this wig is from Hairsisters.com. Thank you to them for sending me this unit. And I will link this wig down below, a direct link to the wig down below, as well as link their website. They always got some amazing sales going on. This wig was $22.98 or something, some off price. But it's a deal. It's a deal. So go ahead and get your debit card out, get your, your PayPal out, get it ready, and go ahead and swipe that bad boy because this is a unit that you need in your arsenal of synthetic wigs. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.